Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO. Today I'm proud to be showcasing 460 Francisco, unit number 304. This is a top floor apartment, and as you can see, this is in very picturesque and a very quiet street of North Beach. This is the Malt House right here, a very iconic building. One of the oldest Italian restaurants is right around the corner. And here we have a restaurant with outdoor seating. Just lovely, and just literally a couple of blocks away from the waterfront. So as you can see, this is a tree-lined street. There is garage parking in the building, and there's parking available for this unit. So without further ado, let's go in and we'll show you the unit. This is a top floor unit with elevator access. Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. I'm going to be giving you a tour of 460 Francisco, number 304. This is in the North Beach area of San Francisco. This is a top floor apartment, and so there's skylights everywhere. In the hallway I was just in leading up to this, here's a walk-in closet. The skylight hallway I was just walking up, there was skylights there. There's skylights here. There's skylights in the kitchen area. Let's just walk into the kitchen. So this is one of those apartments where you walk in. There's a closet, nice closet to place your coats and shoes and items that you may have from the day, and then lots of closets or cabinet space in the kitchen, deep sink, dishwasher, stainless appliance. And then we go into this very, very expansive living room. So this can be used, there's a bar stool seating right here. So you can get a couple of bar stools, and then, as someone's cooking, you can enjoy a nice conversation. There is some recessed lighting in here. And there's definitely lots of options to either have this as a full living room or compartmentalize it where if you want to have an area for an office or a dining room area, you can absolutely do that as well. What's really nice is this little outdoor balcony area. So let's just focus on that, because not only is it an outdoor balcony that you can enjoy the beautiful weather that's around, but you're looking straight at Coit Tower right there. I wish I could do a zoom, but yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, there was a little bit of rain recently, but again, just beautiful. And let's look at right here. You can see all the lighting. There's some tall ceilings in this one area, very loft-like. Those are double pane windows. So I have them all open right now because it's such a gorgeous day. But again, the advantage of double pane windows is that it definitely keeps the sound off. There's blinds here in the bedroom. This is the bedroom area. And again, you have this super high ceiling that you can enjoy, that gives you really that feeling of expansive-ness in this room. Makes it feel really large. Hey, these aren't built-in, so if you prefer not to have these, let the agent know. So we're more than happy to accommodate that. This is looks like an old ironing rack, so you can do your ironing. And here we go into the bathroom. Again, if you like closet space, this is a fantastic apartment. You can see there's lots of, this is a walk-in closet right here that you can enjoy. Another skylight. So now there's garage parking with this unit, but the owner just installed a brand new washer right here. So that's for your enjoyment. The owner's always done air drying because there's so much, there's such a nice apartment for that. Let us know if you have other preferences, but there's also a washer and dryer downstairs that you can use and for a large load as well. Here we have a shower, another skylight, and toilet combination. So this is super great. This is very, very Latin style, Latin America. There's lots of shower bathrooms in which everything is all in one, which makes really easy to clean and gives you that privacy as well. So anyway, so we have a really sunny bedroom, tall ceilings, spacious living room, dining room with this alcove that extends into the balcony with, again, more tall ceilings and just lights about it. If you like well-lit apartments, this is the place for you. We have the walk-in closet, and then we have a really nice, very functional kitchen area, range, hood, and everything else you need. Again, this is just steps away from the water. Many restaurants, cafes just abound, as well as some of the more attractive tourist areas in San Francisco. Give us a call. Joseph Johnson's showing this property. We'd love to get you in here and give you a tour and have you personally fall in love with this property like we've fallen in love with it. All right, cheers, bye-bye. Hello, Eric Barrett again, 460 Francisco. I'm just here on the roof deck. This is just an amazing, again, North Beach is a fantastic place to live in San Francisco. And this is just an amazing location. If I can zoom in there, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge, the hills of Tiburon. And if you're familiar with San Francisco, this is a perfect place to view the Blue Angels when they come every year. Again, Coit Tower in the distance, and then a lot of sitting areas. Your apartment is right here, and you can see this is the bedroom area right here, and then this would be the living room. And you can see, how it comes up, and so you have lots of extra light. Again, very spacious, great place to have a lunch or just enjoy the sunny day and have water views to boot. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.